The Waka Taiohi program came about because probably of our kids, our tamariki, Craig, Pauline and myself. We just wanted to get our tamariki engaged in waka ama. So we decided to just start up a Taiohi program probably 10 years ago now. And then it's just growing from like 5, 6, 7 kids to now over probably 50 kids who are engaged in waka ama.
If they want to pursue waka ama, they can go to nationals, they can go to world champs. It's good for your hauora, it's good for your tinana, and it's a great opportunity to meet other members of your hapori Māori, but not just hapori Māori, just hapori in Christchurch and in Outrigger.
Waka ama is a whānau sport really. You can have your nohi all the way up to your kaumātua, paddling all together in the same waka. So we just hope that in a sense that we can still grow the sport amongst whānau and make it a whānau sport, increase that because hauora is so important these days, and in being on the water and being around other people, that's also good for the for the wairua and hinengaro as well. I think it's just had a positive impact. You see our rangatahi Taiohi from different schools coming together under the kaupapa of waka ama, and a lot of them are our Māori and Pacifica whānau, and it gives them something to identify to, because waka ama is a Polynesian sport really. It's come from the islands all the way through to Aotearoa. We sailed here on Waka Haurua, we used waka for gathering kai for so long, so bringing that back into their makeup and to who they are, so they could really acknowledge and have a sport, an activity that reflects who they are.
For our tamariki, Te Pounamu have given them a sense of identity. Something like the pioke pursuit is like a bit of a competition for the kids, and it gives them a bit of purpose. For our daughter who's 11, she's found her calling in terms of waka. She's been given responsibility to be on an OC1 or a V1 by herself, and she's setting goals to be able to go and do sprints nationally and internationally as an 11-year-old. And you don't get that anywhere else, and so what Craig and the whānau and Keela and all of that are doing for our kids, he mihi nui tēnei kia rata.
It's a great crew, been paddling with these boys in Wahine for quite a few years. So.
They've helped me out a lot through my paddling journey, taking me places around South Island, hopefully take us up north.
Oh, it just feels good knowing that there's other people your age just enjoying the sport as well. It's just so you can connect with them on the same level, same age, same things you like. I just want to see it grow even more. It's already come, since I was a little kid, come a far way, so just wanted to see it get even bigger,
For the funding has really helped us step up with the safety requirements. As a water sport on the moana, on the river, there's a lot of safety that is required, so we have to have properly fitted life jackets. So Tama Ora helped us purchase life jackets for our nohi, so our smaller whānau. Paddles, obviously waka ama, you need a paddle. And so for a lot of kids, they don't have a paddle when they first start, so we provide the paddles. So instead of having to have registration fees, we just say to whānau, all you have to do is bring your kai, and the funds has just meant that there's no barriers for whānau to attend, and that we can come together as one whānau. When kei a koe ngā ringa maha, ka oti ai te mahi, so if you have lots of hands, you can get the mahi done.